right, good morning. Ron.McGowen here with this Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Nice brisk cold morning this morning. Going to give you a quick video tour of this used 2018 Raging 28EX. Yes, it's a used coach, but it is a 2018. So do a quick video walk around with you. First thing you'll notice is the heavy duty front electric tongue jack. The coach comes with 2 batteries, of course 2 propane tanks, a 4-corner manual stabilization, a front storage compartment, electric awning with LED lighting behind that awning, outdoor speakers, motion sensor side lights, nice mag wheels that these tires are actually filled with nitro. So that you don't have to constantly be topping those tires off. Coming inside, we've got about a 15-foot garage, double bunks with a reverse couch. Of course, you've got the really nice hangout chairs here. These are rocker swivel chairs. Lots of cabinet space all the way around with an additional couch on that slide out. So it's really nicely set up. You've got a corner set up here for your kitchen area, solid surface countertops, again lots of cabinetry and drawer space, large refrigerator with a drop down entertainment, which is really nice when you're sitting back here and you've got that reverse couch. You've got your entertainment center here, plays CDs, DVDs, Bluetooth compatible with USB port. Coming back into the bathroom area, I'll let the camera do the work here, but what a massive bathroom this is with a corner shower, lots of storage capacity there for linens and bathroom items. Coming into the bedroom, you've got under bed storage area, you've got nightstands on both sides of the bed, wardrobe closets on both sides, power on both sides of the bed. And it is set up for another television. If you wanted to add that, the power and the cable setups are already there for you. Again, we've got 4-corner stabilization jacks. Nice LED lighting all the way on the outside of the coach. You've got a drop-down side ladder for access to that walkable roof. This is your fuel storage fuel station. Walking here to the side, everything is really convenient. Your power cord outlet, everything is in one spot. It makes it nice. Plumbing is up nice and tight. You've got a 4,000 watt generator. This is a really nice coach. It's a 2018. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com. Thanks and have a great day.